Hey, what's up everybody? It's Paul from P&L Ball Pythons. My wife Lisa's behind the camera again, and today we have an unboxing video. Can't wait to see what this guy looks like. So what do you say we jump right on in and open this thing up? All right. Ooh, awesome business card. Designer ball pythons, Rob Starsman. So huge shout out to Rob Starsman. Thank you so much for this awesome guy here. Can't wait to see him. So let's get him unpackaged. Heat pack still nice and warm. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what we got here. Actually, I get a sneak peek first.
Why don't you share it with the rest of us?
I suppose if I have to.
You play nice every now and then, Paul.
Alright.
That looks, he is in deep blue.
He is in deep blue shed. Look at those eyes, completely glazed right over. Oh man. I love the pattern. I love the way the dorsal stripe is just, oh. But, you know, he's not like all the other orange dream clowns that we were looking at. You know, most of those ones had such a reduced side pattern, really almost to the point of really no pattern on the sides. This guy has nice side patterns. You can see all back here, the alien heads are all connected here with a nice band up over the top.
Active little guy for being in shed.
There he is. It comes back over, connects to this one that's just connected. These are all connected. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but you can definitely see some of the orange coming up from the belly.
Alright guys, see where he is in deep blue. We are going to have to do an update video on this little guy.
Yep,
to see what his true colors hold for the future.
Yeah, we will definitely have to do an update video once he sheds out.
You saying hi?
Oh, hi. Say hi everybody. Hey, what's going on?
What's up?
But yeah, no doubt there, we will definitely have to do an update video so he can shed out, and that way we'll be able to get to see his true colors. But right at the moment, he
Try to
is
get that back saddle without falling over.
Most definitely in blue. But just look at the sides.
Daddy, let me see the back strap. Thank you.
The dorsal.
Whatever. You can tell I'm just a camera person.
Just absolutely beautiful. And I'm sure he's even more beautiful once he sheds out. But man,
sorry guys, phones are going crazy.
Just can't wait. So once he sheds out, we'll do another update video, and that way everybody can see him with his true colors and true brightness. But he is amazing. So the plan is as long as we can get him up to size for this coming November, you know, we'll be pairing him up with our other visual female clown. You know, he's an orange dream clown. I don't know if I mentioned that. I may have forgot to, but he is an orange dream clown, and we will be pairing him to our Orange Dream Pastel Enchi Possible Vanilla clown.
Here, let me see. Take him and you pull her out.
So we will be shooting for some Super OD Pastel Enchi Possible Vanilla clowns. So this is his soon to be hopefully girlfriend right here.
She just ate, so we're not gonna do a bunch of holding. But I just wanted to pull her out and at least let you guys see what she's all about. Go check out the video on her if you like clown. The name of it I think I put up is Clowning Around, actually.
Clowning Around. If you haven't seen it already, absolutely go check that video out. So that is hopefully the pairing for 2022. So if you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.